Welcome to Tenor Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You start by preparing the meeting environment. Sign in to a Google Workspace account and open Chrome because the real-time translation path works reliably there. Once done, create or edit the meeting and make sure captions are allowed in the Meet admin or meeting settings. This unlocks the translation feature. You do this now so participants get translated captions live. Make sure participants use Chrome too for best audio capture and caption accuracy before you invite them. You join the meeting and immediately open Meet controls to activate captions. This is the pivot to translation. Then choose captions and pick the target language. Translations are generated from the spoken language captions, so accuracy depends on the spoken language selection. Once captions are translating, notify participants to speak clearly and avoid overlapping speech because the engine needs distinct audio to translate correctly. Also, make sure microphone permissions are granted in Chrome so captions and translations stay live. You finish by confirming everyone sees translated captions and testing a short phrase in each language to validate translation accuracy. This confirms the pipeline from audio to captions to translation. If participants report delays, ask them to use headphones and a wired or strong Wi-Fi connection, then toggle captions off and back on to reinitialize translation. If problems persist, make sure Chrome microphone permissions and Workspace Meet caption settings are enabled.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to keep your life in tune.